In a study published by the Proceedings of National Academy of Sciences, it was found that the world's food-related emissions would go down by 70% by the year 2050 if we all been vegan. As humans, we have the responsibility of protecting our planet and prioritizing our health. Veganism should be adopted by everyone across the globe because it is one of the most sustainable forms of living that protects our planet, it benefits our health, and it saves animals from being murdered and from being extinct. As I said, veganism is one of the most sustainable forms of living that protects our planet. Agriculture is one of the leading causes of greenhouse emissions, which results in the climate change that we are seeing today. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization, livestock is responsible for 18% of human-caused greenhouse emissions. If we simply switched from a meat-based diet into a plant-based diet, we would already be reducing these emissions that are being put into our atmosphere by a good chunk. According to the report by the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, sustainable food, such as the one found in vegan diets, is crucial for meeting the Paris Agreement to limit global warming. Furthermore, we can also reduce our water footprint by going vegan. As we have seen in many areas of the world, there has been water shortages. According to a research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, meat-based diets use 14 times more water than a plant-based diet. And by switching over, you would already be saving so much water that can be used in many other areas. Veganism is also beneficial to our health. It reduces the many chronic illnesses and diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and type 2 diabetes. According to the World Health Organization, processed animal meats such as bacon and ham have been linked to cancer. So if you reduce the intake of these foods, you would already be reducing the risk by a lot. Furthermore, athletes also have been converting to veganism, and this is due to many of the health benefits, such as increasing their stamina, their endurance, and improving at a much faster rate their recovery rate. One of those is Alex Morgan, she is a very famous U.S. soccer player, and she said that once she became vegan, she saw that she became stronger, and it helped her reduce her fatigue and increase her recovery. Venus Williams is a very famous tennis player, and she said that she became vegan back in 2011 after finding out that she had an autoimmune disease. Veganism also saves animals from being murdered and possible extinction due to the destruction of their habitat. Species are becoming extinct due to the overuse of their land for agriculture, and this is due to us humans. According to The Guardian, one of the leading causes of mass wildlife extinction is due to the habitat destruction, which is caused by agriculture, which is caused by humans. And many animals, including foxes, kangaroos, owls, are being killed due to our selfish acts. According to the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, wild animals make up 4% of the life on Earth, while livestock makes up 60%, and that's a very huge difference. As humans, we should also show compassion, and we should live an ethical lifestyle, which we would find through veganism. As we know, cows, pigs, and chickens, they are raised in factory farms only to be killed brutally and very unethically. In conclusion, veganism is a sustainable form of living for our planet, and it benefits. It's a sustainable form of living for our planet. It benefits our health, and it also saves the animals. I believe that we should implement this knowledge in schools for young kids from an early age. That way they learn about the negative consequences of living a non-vegan lifestyle, such as the negative consequences that it has on our planet, our body, and the animals that surround us. Furthermore, I believe that we should write letters to the schools in order for them to incorporate a more plant-based diet and meals for breakfast and for lunch. Although the number of people who identify as vegan has increased throughout the years, we must further share this knowledge to future generations to create a better place for us to live in.